Hello everyone, today again we will learn to find the mean of group data, and today we will learn by step deviation method. For this purpose again I have taken the same question number 15 and I have got the tables ready. Here the class intervals, I have already written the class intervals. It's 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. I've also taken out the class mark, which we get it by adding the two class limits and dividing it by 2. So the class mark are 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Now let us write down the assumed mean. So for assumed mean I have taken this one 25. So assumed mean is 25. Now we find the deviation. What is the deviation? Deviation is the class mark minus the assumed mean. So I have already calculated this one and I've got minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. Now the extra step that we have to do in this particular method is to find the class size. What is the class size? If we subtract the upper limit and the lower limit, then we get the class size to be 10. 10 minus 0 is 10, 20 minus 10 is also 10, 30 minus 20 is also 10, so the class size is 10. Now in order to find ui, what we do is we have already calculated the di, which is class mark minus the assumed mean. We divide this one by the class size 10 to get ui. So di divided by the class size will give us ui. So let us divide this now. Minus 20 is divided by 10 is minus 2. This will be minus 1. 0 divided by 10 is 0. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So we have got here now ui. The corresponding frequencies have already been written here. Let us find the product between ui and fi. So when we multiply, we get minus 2 into 10 is minus 20. Minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. 8 into 0 is 0. 12 into 1 is 12 and 5 into 10, 5 into 2 is 10. So we have got the product ui fi. Let us find out the summation of frequency. When we add these two, again we'll get 41. Now let's find the sum of the product ui fi. So here we have minus 20 minus 6 is negative 26 and 12 plus 10 is positive 22, and so when we subtract we get negative 4. So here, since I don't have space here, I'm writing it down here. This is the summation of fi ui, and which we have got is minus 4. Now let's find out the mean. In order to find out the mean, the formula gets little bit modified, and the formula that we obtained here is assumed mean plus the class size into summation of fi ui divided by summation of fi. So this particular factor, the class size, is a new inclusion in this formula. Let us replace the values. The assumed mean we had taken was 25. The size of each class is 10. Summation ui fi is minus 4 divided by summation of fi is 41. Let's simplify this one. So we have 25 minus into plus is minus, 4 into 10 is 40 divided by 41. Now this becomes similar to what we have done in the previous method. 41 into 25 will give us 1025 minus 40 divided by 41. So when we subtract 5 minus 0 is 5, and 12 minus 4 is 8. 9 is left here, divided by 41. So when we divide 985 by 41, then we again get 24.024, which is the required mean.